In this video, we're going to go through how to create the text as well as styling the text using HTML Canvas. So first of all, we're going to have cdx.font. And in here will be the size of the text, let's say 40 pixels, as well as the font of the text. For example, Comic Sans, MS. And then we're going to fill the text color. So cdx.fillStyle. Let's say we gave it orange. And then we're going to have cdx.fillText. So inside the quotation marks is what we would like it to write. Let's say, for example, coding. And then we've got the X and Y. So the X and Y will be the upper left corner of the text. Let's say 150, 150. And if we would like the text to be at the center of the screen in order to adjust it, so cdx.textAlign. And then in here we can write center. So if we save it and run it, so here we have our text coding in a nice color orange.